Say, Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Javed Singh. So today we discuss a topic related to the disease of the infancy and the childhood. So it is also a new unit in general pathology. You already studied the environment diseases and nutrition disease. So I'm also taking the class on the disease of infancy and the childhood. So they will also can be comprising a lot of diseases and are the birth defect. They also can occur in the first trimester of the life, first trimester of the gestation, and also these other lesions they also can be occur during pregnancy or after pregnancy. So they will also can producing a lot of complications. So today we are discussing with the topic related with the disease of infancy, which are the very important hydrophytalis. So hydrophytalis and also the other diseases like there's some respiratory diseases and ARDs like acute respiratory distress syndrome and some of the pneumonia-like infections and other diseases like are there some kind of infections and also the other lesion comprising the tumors of the some tumors they also can occur in the infancy and the childhood age group. So today we're discussing the topic related to the disease infancy and childhood, which are the hydrophytalis. Hydrophytalis, it is also, and by definition, it is also an excessive accumulation of the fluid, and within the fetus. So this condition, which also can be depending, most probably they also can depending on the severity, and also the some there the cause, some the cause of the hydrophytalis. This condition they also can be depending on the severity and the causative agent. There are some risk factor or some other causes they can contributing in the pathogenesis of the hydrophytalis. So there may be edema. This condition they will also can be characterized by the formation of the edema of the fetus and placenta. So they will also can be associated with formation of the fluid within the peritoneal cavity. They can call as ascites, and some there the fluid accumulation within the pleural cavity, and they also can be termed as the design as the pleural effusion, and some there is an accumulation of the fluid and within the pericardial cavity, and they can leading to formation of the pericardial effusions. So this condition, and there may be also this condition they can characterize by the accumulation of the fluid, and they can leading to the formation of the ascites and pericardial effusion and the some form of the pleural effusion. So they can contributing there the accumulation of fluid within the body cavities. There are 3 body cavities in our body. Okay. So the most probably in the previous years of the life, in the previous years, so the most common most causes of the hydrophytalis, जो पहले बेटा जो इसके cause होते थे, and they will also can be, and they were also caused by the some there severe erythroblastoma fetalis. So this also can be some there they cause hemolytic anemias in the newborn babies. So in the previous years to hydrophytalis, and they will also can be caused by the some there they for the development of the also can be caused by the severe erythroblastoma fetalis, and which also can be secondary to the RH and isoimmunization, and they can leading to the formation of the hemolytic anemias of the newborn babies. Okay, so another form with marked there the in this condition, and there is a marked decrease, and within this the marked decrease in this condition, and they also can due to their prophylaxis, with some there the an immune globulin. So इसको ट्रीटमेंट इसको जो पहले जो है ना उसको prophylactically they also can given by the immunoglobulins and they also can decrease the risk. So now and most cases of the hydrophytolus hydrophytolus and they will also can be and they are now they are also can be caused by the some there the also can be caused by the other conditions. They also can be caused by the other conditions and they are known as non-immune hydrophytolus. So they also can be called as the non-immune hydrophytolus. So the list of the causes and they will also can be contributing in the pathogenesis of the hydrophytolus. So for the non-immune hydrophytolus and they will also can be caused by the wide spectrum or the wide variety of the factors. They also can contributing in the pathogenesis of the hydrophytolus. So this is the etiology of the hydrophytolus and they also can be causing the non-immune hydrophytolus. They also can be caused by the a wide variety of the risk factors. They also can contributing in the pathogens of the hydrophytolus. Number one, first of all, they also can be showing the a list of the more common causes of the hydrophytolus and they are as under. Number one, first of all, hydrophytolus and they also can be caused. First of all, they're the hemolytic anemias. In hemolytic anemias and alpha thalassemias and also the some RBC enzyme deficiency. So these are the some factors they can contributing for formation of the hydrophytolus. And also the other causes like the other anemias and most probably. So they are also having their the fetal maternal hemorrhage. So they also can and the fetal-maternal hemorrhage. Okay, another one. They're the twin blood transfusion. So the blood transfusion. These are the some. This also can be donor. So these also are some risk factors and they also can be associating with the some that the hemolytic anemias. So other causes, some that the cardiac causes, they can contribute in the pathogens of the hydrophytolus. Now, first of all, there is the premature closure of the foramen ovale. Okay, they can lead to some that the congenital heart disease. Congenital heart disease also some that the formation of the ASD, VSD, patent ductal arteriosus. So there's also some congenital heart disease. They can contribute in the pathogens of the form hydrophytolus. So the other causes like the fetal arrhythmias and also the some there the hypoplastic left heart and the cause there the hypoplastic right heart syndrome. Okay, so other causes like the cardiomyopathies. So there is also having there the cardiomyopathy, cardiac failure, development of the cardiac failure along with the marker dysfunction. In the case of the cardiomyopathy, they also forming different type of the restrictive hypertrophic and also the some there the. So these are the some hypertrophic and dilated. So these are the some type of the three main important cardiomyopathy and other type like the premature closure of the ductus arteriosus. So these are the ductus arteriosus and other causes and other there are also having there the other structural abnormalities. So the most important is that there is some there the chromosomal abnormalities. They are having there the including the trisomies. There the addition of the one extra chromosome. Okay, one extra chromosome number. For example, trisomy 21 is the most common example of the Down syndrome, and there is the other example like the trisomy 18 Edward syndrome. So these are the some kind of the trisomies or types of the trisomy. Trisomy 21 called the Down syndrome, the addition of the one chromosome and the extra chromosome. The number of the normal chromosome is a 46 pair, 23 pair and 46 in number. So in the trisomy, there is the addition of the one chromosome. So on the pair of the 21 chromosome पे जो addition होती है, attachment, they can lead to formation of the Down syndrome. So the other cause like the Turner syndrome, so Turner syndrome and other some there the liens, they also can be trisomies and they are most probably related to the autosomes. So there the Turner syndrome, they also can some there the number of the chromosomes also can be decreased. Decreased number of the chromosome, they can call the Turner syndrome. Okay. So other type of the infections they can contributing the hydrophyllus, then the viral infections, and most probably parvovirus, cytomegalovirus, and also the mumps virus, and also the herpes virus. So these are the some virus, and they also can contributing produce some viral infections, and other the toxoplasma, most probably toxoplasmosis, and also the some there the syphilis. So there the gometus inflammation, syphilis, and another one there the parasitic, there the Chagas disease. These are the some infection they can contributing for formation of the low part for the in case of the pathogenesis of the hydrophyllus. So there is vascular malformation. There is the malformation. They also can including number one there the chorioangioma, they also can call as the placental tumors. So these are also example of the placental tumor, and there the liver. There is also having there the liver hemangiomas. Liver hemangioma, they also can be occur in case of the most probably the cavernous type of the hemangioma. Hemangioma is a benign tumor of the blood vessels in the liver. There is hemangioma tessilian. They are called the cavernous type of the hemangioma in the liver, and also the some there the cerebral and AV malformations. Okay, and retroventricular malformations, and also the some other like the sacrococcygeal, some there the sacrococcygeal teratomas. So teratoma, they also having there the liens. Teratomas, they also can composed of the totipotential cells. This is also teratoma. So they also having there the germ cell tumor, or called the mixed tumor. Okay. So आपने पढ़ा होगा बड़ा न्यूक्लियस में what is teratoma. Teratoma is also mixed. They are composed of the all three germ layers, and from the endoderm, ectoderm, and the mesoderm. Okay, they called the they also comprising the totipotential cells. Other causes like the most probably there is a vascular so other liens are there the vascular accidents are like a stroke. Okay, there is also a cerebral stroke, and some there the intracranial and hemorrhages. So these are the also another part the cerebral edemas. So these also are some there the causes you can contributing, and then the thrombosis of the most probably renal vessels. Okay, thrombosis of the renal vein. So these are the some causes they can contribute in the pathogenesis of the formation of the hydrophyllus. So other causes like there are the lymphatic malformations. Some there are the pulmonary pulmonary, and there is also a lymphangiectasias. Okay, and other causes like the cystic fibrosis. So it also can be caused by the autosomal recessive disorder, and some other also having the chest, most probably chest mass, and there are and other causes like the intrathoracic masses are the tumors, and also the other like the diaphragmatic hernia. So these are the diaphragmatic hernias and other diseases causes, and they're also having there the cystic, most probably there is a cystic adenomas, adenomatoid lesions. So these are the some list of the causes they can contributing in the pathogenesis of the most probably hydrophytolus. So other causes like the skeletal malformation abnormalities, and so there is the osteogenesis imperfecta. They are also imperfecta. So this is also a collagen type. They are also having there the deficiency. So they also can be leading to the some abnormalities in the structural or the skeletal abnormalities. They can contributing in the autosomal dominant disorders and other diseases like the asphyxias, and also the some lesions. They're also having there the genetic most probably genetic disorders, and they also have contributing and other lesions, and like the mucopolysaccharidosis, so mucopolysaccharides, and also the some lesions like the Gaucher disease. So these are the some metabolic disorders. They also can contributing in the pathogens or the formation of the hydrophytolus. Okay. So the other CNS abnormalities, most probably there's the hydrocephalus. Hydrocephalus, there's a dilatation of the ventricular system. They can lead to the hydrocephalus and communicating and non-communicating hydrocephalus, and also the some encephalitis. In encephalitis, there's also having there the inflammatory process occur in the within the brain parenchyma. Okay, and leading to the some viral causes, and some there the infectious diseases, and they also can leading to the encephalitis. Okay. So these are some pictures so can be seen. Okay. So they also can produce some birth defect like this. So other, so there are some description of the birth defect. They also can occur at the time of pregnancy during the gestational period. So the birth defects, and they are most probably defined. It is also abnormalities of the structure, and also the function, and or by the some there the body metabolism, and that also can be present at uh, at the time of the birth. Okay, so this is a definition of the birth defects, and they are the abnormalities, or the some there the abnormalities. There are also abnormalities and of the structure, function, and some there the body metabolism that also can occur at the time of the birth. Okay, so these are the these abnormalities, and that also can be lead to the these abnormalities, and they also can lead to the some there the mental retardation, and mental are also the some there the physical mental and the physical disabilities. Okay, disabilities, they also can produce mental retardation, and some there the abnormality are, and they are also most probably there some that they are the fatal. कुछ की जो ना वो some people some fetus they also can be become, some infants they also can be die at the time of the birth, and some other they also can be survive, and they also can producing a lot of complications, and some they are developing the some disease. So this is also some. Okay, so sometimes the birth defects, and they will also can be diagnosed, and by the help of the first of all ultrasound examination, and some there the choroamniosynthesis and choroamniosynthesis sampling, and also the some other there the the amniocentesis. Okay, so these are the three main procedure and for the diagnosis of a case of the some the birth abnormalities, birth defects. So these are the some examples of the list of the some birth defects that also can occur at the time of the some disease like after the birth, and some they also can be developed at the time of the gestation period. Spina bifida, it is also detected. It is also detected and during the first trimester of the pregnancy. ये जो disease है spina bifida, they also can be most probably detected at the time of the first trimester of the pregnancy. So they also can be taking the help and by the help of the ultrasonography and also the some the chorioamniocentesis and also amniocentesis process sampling. Okay, so this disease, this also some kind of abnormal. There is some disease infant diseases. They also can be diagnosed. Okay. Most probably there's in the embryo, and they also can be the embryos. They also can be embryos forms, and so the bones, and they also can be, and they also can bone within the spinal cord. Bone they also can within the spinal cord. In this condition, the bones within the spinal column or cord, and they will also can be and bones of the spinal column, and they also can be come together. They also can be come together, and the tissues, and they also can be tissues. They also can be grow around the tissues. They also can around the vertebrae. Okay, so this most probably. So the closing it. Okay, so these are the some abnormalities that also can occur within the spine or the vertebral column. So these are the some features, and they also can be occur, and by the case of the spina bifida. So spina bifida case, so the persons and with the spina bifida, and they may also some taking the benefits and from the use of the some there the special, some there also special adaptations. ठीक है, special like they taking the bras, so you some they taking the walker, some special equipments, and such as they also taking the help of the some there the braces, and also the walkers and the cords. So they also can be with the help of the some there the help with the braces. Okay, so this is a case of the spina bifida. So the best hope and for the children's, the best hope for the children's. So they are also having the spina bifida, and maybe early most probably the early diagnosis, and also the some there the early diagnosis, and also there some there prenatal there the surgery also can be indicated. Surgery to close the, they also can close the spine, close the spine. Okay, तो पहले जो है ना हमें इसको जो at the time of the prenatal age जो also can be इसको diagnose करेंगे, and then after we also can planning at the time of the perinatal surgery to close the spine. Okay, so the some repair, and they will also can some repair, and they also can be also made, and with the help of the fetus is also some there is still, and in the fetus also can in they also have in the womb. Okay, So this is a case of another one. This is also a case of the spina bifida. So another diseases, there's Marfan syndrome. This is also some connective tissue disorder. So this is also a autosomal dominant disorder. So this condition, they will also can be okay. So this is also named as the most probably, and this time we also can occur Marfan syndrome. Salim? Very. What is W? What is W? घणी है हाँ ठीक है खाली बोलो सही है मेहरबानी. So this is a case of the Marfan syndrome. This is also some connective tissue disorder, and this is a design that is autosomal dominant disorder. Okay. So this is also a Marfan syndrome, structural abnormalities. So this is also a case of the Marfan syndrome. So the other lesion is also killer feet. This is also some there the killer foot, and they also can occur killer foot. They also having the burst defect, and most probably they also can occur within the feet and the knee joint. Okay. So this is also a case of the some there the hydrocephalus. In this condition, there is the dilatation of the ventricular system in the third or fourth ventricle, and they also leading to the accumulation of the fluid. So they also leading to some complication like encephalitis and brain edema, and they also producing case of the hydrocephalus. So this is also a case of the when there's a dilatation of the fetus circumference. So head circumference also can increase in size grossly. So the other condition they also called the fetal alcohol syndrome. This condition they also can be any consumption of the sometimes alcohol at the time of the first trimester or the pregnancy. They also leading to fetal alcohol syndrome. So this is also a case of the fetal alcohol syndrome. So this is most probably the physical appearance of the fetal alcohol syndrome. So this is also phases of the fetal alcohol syndrome you have seen. Some there the delirium and then the drowsiness. That's going to occur. Some there the excitation, flushing. So this is also some there the cerebral palsies. Cerebral palsies. This is a case of the cerebral palsy. We also been seen in this growth pictures. So this is also some there the hemangioma. Hemangioma is a benign tumor arising from the blood vessels. This is called the vesicular tumor. So this is a benign behavior. So this tumor they are grossly presenting and on the skin and mucous membrane, and also the oral cavity, and most probably in the skin and mucous membrane, and some other the lesion the pharyngioma they also can occur within the mucous membrane. So the another lesion in the children called the strawberry hemangioma. Strawberry appear as a strawberry type, small about the 1 centimeter or a few 2 centimeter in the diameter, a few millimeter to centimeter, 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter in the diameter. Depending on the size, they also can be on the size of the blood vessel. They are characterized by the capillary hemangiomas. Another type called the cavernous hemangiomas. They are in this type the blood vessels also can be they become increased than the capillary size. So the most common site of the hemangioma in the capillary size of occur in the skin, mucous membrane, and also the oral cavity, oral mucosa. The cavernous type of the hemangioma, this type of the also can occur within the liver. So the other, this is also a hemangioma. Gross picture you have been seen. So the other, most importantly, some there the daily disorder, Down syndrome, an example of the trisomy 21. The addition of the You have been seen the number of the chromosome 21. They also can become 3 number. There's addition of an extra chromosome, and along with the 21 pair. We haven't seen there are the 3 one addition. सब पे आप देख रहे हैं दो दो हैं. अब 21 जो pair है, they also having the, you haven't seen there are 3 number. There the number normal number of the chromosome is a 23 pair, and also there are the 22 pairs, there are autosome, and one is the 6 pair. So 22 is also 22 pairs, they are called autosomes, and the one is pair of the 6 chromosomes, and they are the 46 in number normally. So there is the addition of the one extra chromosome on the autosome, they also can become जो ऑटोसोम पे अटैच होता है एडिशन होगी, दे आल्सो कैन कॉल द ट्राइसोमीज. इनमें से कोई कम होगा, दे आल्सो कैन कॉल द मोनोसोमीज. So inshallah we also can be discussing some genetic abnormalities in the next later lectures later on. So this is also a appearance of the Down syndrome case, a case of the Down syndrome by the photograph. You also can see, and there the some there the Mongolian face, and also the fillet fishes, and there the depressed nose, nasal bridge, and also the some there the loss of the salmon creases in the hand. So there is some there the addition of the one finger. Normal जो 5 होती है उसमें समझे ना 5 finger they also can be 6 हो जाएंगी. And extra polydactyly, they call it polydactyly. So this is also case of the Down syndrome we have been seen. Case of the, so some there the abnormalities also can occur. So these abnormalities, some there the white spot, there are the white spots, and most probably and on the color of the color patches. Okay. So these are the some diagnostic features that also can occur. Some there the and short neck होती है, webbed neck and short neck होती है, Mongol face होगा. So these are the some abnormalities, the heart disease like ASD, VSD, and PDS. So these are also can be partition of aorta. Some other the heart disease also can occur in these patients में. ठीक है बेटा, तो फ्लैट फिशेस होती हैं. So these persons also can become survive at the age of the 40 years of age. So Down syndrome, this is also a picture of the Down syndrome. They also can different characteristic features. Okay, so this is also abnormalities, trisomies, monogenic disorders. Some there is the muscular dystrophy. So they also can showing there's a muscular dystrophy. So this is a case of muscular dystrophy. Another condition, the multiple sclerosis, as they also having there is the multiple sclerosis. So it is also a condition. They can also, in this there is the central nervous system. This is central nervous system. There also can be central nervous system disorder. So they also having there is a marked why they also can occur. There is a decreased, marked by the decreased nerve function. Okay, making nerve functions, and with some there is a along with the inflammation, and within that they also can occur. So multiple sclerosis, there is central nervous system abnormalities. So some there is the cleft palate. So this condition they also cleft palate. So during the first trimester of the life, so at the time of the pregnancy, so the two sides of the mouth, and two sides of mouth and the lip areas, and they will also can be grow. They also can be grow together. So they also can be. It is also a combination of the. It is a combination of the some there the genetic abnormalities. Okay, some are the combination of the genetic and some other the environmental factors. ठीक है, तो इस वजह से होती है most probably an abnormality called as a cleft palate. You have been seen in the figure. So this is also some birth defect that also can be occurring. So this is also a birth. Most probably there is a cleft palate. This is also a case of the cleft palate. You haven't seen a different type of the cleft palate. Cystic fibrosis, and is also an example of the autosomal recessive disorders. Some there is the separation of the gene. Cystic fibrosis. In case of cystic fibrosis, you have seen some there is the disease. They also can lesion within the lung and the kidneys and the brain. So this is also called as the dwarfism. Some there is the short stature. They also can be a small, most probably there the small stature peoples, so they also can become hypopituitarism. Example, hypopituitarism. So this is the case of the dwarfism you haven't seen in this picture. So this is a dwarfism, and so there is most probably sideroblastic, sickle cell anemias, and this is a example of the hemolytic anemias. So this condition they will also having there is some genetic abnormalities, and they can lead to sickle. RBC also can become sickle shape. Okay, they also can become sickle. They also have been seen. Case of the sickle cell anemias have been seen in this picture. Okay, this is all about the birth defect. We have been discussing. First of all, we also can be read the hydrophytulus. Hydrophytulus define the definition, and depending on the condition, two type, immune type and non-immune type. So we already discussing the non-immune type. So there's a different causes like the cardiac causes, vascular disorder, some genetic abnormality, environmental factor, and some other causes, infectious agent they can contributing in the etiology of the hydrophytulus, and they also have the different procedures and for the diagnosing in case of birth defect like the ultrasound and the amniocentesis and the chorosynthesis, coronic sampling and also the amniocentesis and other birth defect they also can be contributing like the discussing here there's the Down syndrome and a Marfan syndrome and also the hydrocephalus, dwarfism and sickle cell anemias, cleft palate and also the cleft lip and also the some other disorders like the cleft foot. So these are the some examples, some cerebral palsy, fetal core syndrome. So these are the some then also see examples of the birth defect. They also can occur abnormality during the first time's life, and the patient, if the baby survive, so they also developing this after birth. They also developing some complication over here. Okay, this is all about the lecture of the hydrophytulus and along with the birth defect we have been discussing here. Thank you, beta. Salim, अच्छा, तो क्यों आते हैं दोस्तों? तो कुछ आने वाला?